Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how we can install NLTK in a Mac machine. So first of all, what is NLTK? So it is a standard Python library that provides a set of algorithms for natural language processing. In order to install NLTK, first we will open terminal like this. Then we will create a virtual environment because it is a good practice to create a virtual environment for each separate project, and for that you should have installed Python in your system. If you have not installed Python, then you can refer the another video which is available on this channel itself, and you will find the link of that video in the description below. And to check whether the Python is installed or not, you need to write this command python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. So if you get the output something like this, so it means the Python is installed in your system. Now let's start the installation process for NLTK. So first we will go to the folder where we want to create the virtual environment. So I want to create the virtual environment in my downloads folder. So I will do cd and downloads. Now I will create the virtual environment using this command, which is python 3 minus m v env and the virtual environment's name. So let's keep this name nltk underscore install. So this will create one folder in the downloads folder. So let me show you that as well. So this folder it has created, and it has these files and folders inside this. So now let's activate this virtual environment using one command. So we will have to source one file actually. So we will source nltk install, and inside that bin folder is there, and inside that one activate file is there. So we will have to source this particular file. So as you can see, the nltk underscore install is there within these brackets. So it means this particular environment is activated now. So now at last we will install the nltk using this command, which is pip install and nltk. So as you can see, the installation is successfully completed. Now we can verify this using this command, which is pip list. So here you can see the nltk is there, and this is the version of nltk. You can also verify this using the Python shell. So I will clear my screen first, then I will enter into the Python shell using this python 3 command. So here if I import this nltk, now it is imported successfully. So it means the nltk is installed, and we can also check the version of this. So I will say nltk dot underscore version underscore underscore. So as you can see 3.8.1. So it means the nltk is installed successfully. So let me exit from here. So I hope the video was useful to you, and still if you face any issue, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. As always, keep learning, keep supporting, and see you in the another video.